Hello and welcome to video 8. At the moment Ben's putting up more paneling on the back doors to cover up the insulation. Ben has recently put in our freshwater and grey water tank, so over to you, Ben.
Okay, so we've got the freshwater tank in. It's a 61 litre freshwater tank, so drinking water safe. How I've decided to mount it up is created sort of a little box with some aluminium and bugled it down to the floor, so it won't be going anywhere, and it's held in place by 200 kilo rated straps that I got from Bunnings. Still have to sort of trim these so they're not hanging around, but it's all pretty good, and we can easily take it out if we need anything serviced or regulated, or if anything does tend to happen. Sweet.
Ben has also installed the grey water tank just under here, and I've also just hung up our first Christmas decoration. Looks good. Just got to paint them now. Yeah. Hello, so we're currently waiting for the plumber to get here to install and hook everything up. So we're very excited to have running water. So I'll show you once that's all up and running.
Hi.
Wait. Hello. So it's a few days later and Ben is currently fixing the drill sliders here and here because they kept opening when we were driving. So he's installed little magnets as well, so they're not going anywhere. The van is nice and festive now. We've decorated it all. Stunning. And I've also just ordered this cute rug to go here. It's like a small one and it matches the one on the bed nicely, so I can't wait for that to arrive. So cute. As you already know, we got plumbing last weekend, but on the weekend that just came we got our hot water heater all hooked up. So we now have running hot water, which is very exciting. Yeah, this tap is great, so it pulls out, which is really good. And when you turn it on, it's got 2 settings. And finally have hot water. Yes! Another really exciting addition to the van is our new dining room table. Stunning. Matches perfectly with our kitchen counter. Look at that. So good. So yeah, obviously we can take this middle couch out, and then when we open this up, we can face each other. Fly screens. So we have a fly screen on the sliding door, and we still need to put one up for the back doors. We have it, but we haven't put it up yet because I think we need to cut it to size, don't we?
Yep.
Yeah. So it's another little job to do. So the bugs can't get in. Our rug finally arrived. How cute. It matches perfectly with our rug and the aesthetic. Love that. And I also cut this little welcome mat so we can wipe our feet before entering because it gets so sandy. And also another little addition to the wall of the van, we've got a little scratch map so we can scratch our way all around Australia. Hi. So it's currently the 23rd of December. It's almost Christmas. Ben and I are planning to move in very shortly into the van, so that's very exciting. Can't wait. Thank you so much for watching this far into my video, and if you've been watching the series so far, thank you. It's been a journey and we can't wait until like these last little bits and pieces and finishing touches are done, and then we can finally say the conversion is completed. So the next video I'll be posting will be our move-in vlog. Ben and I have been gutting our bedrooms, well more so me because I've got way more clothes than him, to downsize to live in a van. It's a mission, but we'll get there. I'd just like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya!